Connie and Curtis.
And that is whatever.
Thank you for letting us know that it was over.
I need a bell. Ding. I ring my bell when I'm done.
No, you don't get control of it.
I want
we
a
don't
bell.
ever know.
I would like a bell to ring when I'm done.
I don't have a bell.
Ting. No, I want a bell.
I know, but I was going to try and loan you one, but I don't have one.
Something on my. Hold on. I have a lot of sound effects on my phone.
I can give you a pig.
What I need is to have a pig.
Or Perry the Platypus.
What does it mean?
Or a siren. Or a whoop.
That's my balloon going missing.
Or a monkey.
Oh, I haven't heard the monkey.
I can give you some beach music.
Okay. Oh, yeah, man. We going crazy, man. It's good times, man. How are you, man?
Or a sad tuba.
Oh, man.
It's sad too.
Possibly a weird duck.
Yeah, I got that weird duck.
Goats that scream.
Screaming goats, but you have no bell.
A hair bug.
What if I go gong?
A bing.
I'm going to go gong.
Maybe an elephant.
Hold on. I have this. I have this.
Get down, get down. Get down, get down.
And that's whatever.
Get down, get down. Get down, get down.
On a very special Connie and Curtis.
You can use my R2D2.
There's a bell.
This is a bell. So when whatever ends
That's
from now
the
on.
littlest teeny bell.
I like this one.
This one hurts my ears so bad. So bad. Hold on. Oh, I hope this doesn't say a bad word.
You know it's going to say a bad word.
I'm going to push it.
Shut up.
Oh, I thought it was...
I've never seen you move so fast.
I thought he was going that.
Connie and Curtis.
On Channel 95.7.